Precious. Well, hello, YouTube. Today I am starting my new channel. Check out Scott Baker's channel. He has a little cartoon photo because there's a bunch of Scott Baker's for some reason. But yeah, so here we are, Monkey's Best. We just started this a few days ago. I've always crashed trying to make this video. I think I did, maybe. Well, I have headphones on, so I can't really tell. But today we are starting our Monkey Quest channel called Monkey's Best. And along with me, I have James Thunder Jumper. So he's a part of the group. Let me just try and see if I can add my little.
Oh my God, this is amazing. I decided to have okay. Because Maurice has a huge network of clientele. So both of us
Precious. Okay. Sorry about that. I can't say. So yeah, we're gonna be kind of like a Monkey Quest video thingy, but I'll have some other stuff for you, like related stuff, like stuff on the Nick site. Monkey Quest. Nick turns Neopets Pet Park. Nick Summit Jr. Nick Jr. for the little kids. So it's going to be a variety of things, but they're all connected to Nick.com. Yay! 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 So it's me, Julie Jiggy Cake, or Larry Jungle Flag if you want me to do it that way. I would rather do Larry Jungle Flag because like my brother doesn't care anymore. So yeah, and then we have
the name of my store is Kyle.
James is the leader. I'm telling you this. Monkey's Best. Let me see it. Because sometimes I have to update him on what I'm saying. And so yeah. He is the leader, though I actually was the one that invited him to join, but I just don't feel like being the leader.
They can show me the ropes. I'm having a lot of fun learning.
Just a second.
Well, we're getting ready.
Just a second, okay? Okay, why did I just do that? Because it's closer than our video.
This is gorgeous. I love this. How many files did you pick so far? I don't even know.
Beep.
No, of course.
I just couldn't. Sorry about that, guys, but couldn't help myself. Okay, so just trying to announce Monkey's Best, and goodbye for now. See ya later, peeps.